You're charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. But all of the priors, this is showing that you are an habitual felon, which means you're looking at a minimum of 25 years in prison to life. You were a habitual felon.
Right out of the gate, this is serious. A habitual felon enhancement isn't just another charge. It multiplies the consequences. We're talking 25 years to life. That's not a warning. That's a life-altering reality. And here's the real question. Do you think repeat offenders should face penalties this severe, or is this system too harsh? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And while you're at it, hit like if you're already feeling the tension in this courtroom, share this with someone who follows legal drama, and don't forget to subscribe for more intense breakdowns like this.
2 convictions ago, since 2018. So here we are. Yes. Announcement.
We can get about 4 weeks from now, so I can get something straight down on this. I don't, yeah,
It's not.
yeah. We need more time to just help work out, get it resolved.
Okay, I'll reset it.
And just like that, everything changes. A positive drug test might seem minor to some, but in court, it can instantly impact your bond, your freedom, and how the judge sees you. Notice the shift. This isn't just about the original charge anymore. It's about trust and compliance. Now, be honest, should a positive test alone be enough to double someone's bond? Let me know in the comments. If you're learning something new here, hit that like button, share this video so others understand how quickly things escalate in court, and subscribe so you don't miss moments like this.
4 weeks, get it resetting. Have a seat right over here, please. Probation.
Not highlighted actually.
Let's put him in the penalty box. Thank you. He's got drugs in this arrest. You've tested positive for tetrahydrocannabinol marijuana. That is, it's a crime to imbibe and possess marijuana. It's in your system. It's going to affect your bond. You have a $50,000 bond and a GPS device right now. Is that right?
Yes.
Is that what I just?
Yes.
All right. Yeah, he's got a GPS device, right?
Right, yeah.
And, all right. Well, you've tested positive. It's a $50,000 bond. It is revoked. You are now $100,000. Plus, you must have a drug patch at all times.
This is the moment everything collapses. The defense brings up a medical marijuana card, but the judge shuts it down instantly. Why? Because in many jurisdictions, court conditions override personal permissions, even medical ones, and the judge makes it clear: science over statements. No debate, no exceptions. Now, think about this. Should medical use be treated differently in court, or are strict rules necessary to maintain order? Tell me what you think below. And if this moment shocked you, hit like, share this video with someone who needs to see how fast freedom can disappear, and subscribe for more deep courtroom breakdowns.
As a condition of your bond.
So, Your Honor, I know he says not the THC. He says he hasn't used any products, but he does have a medical marijuana card. And he hasn't used any, but he has a card that allows him to do that medically. I mean, I know the court has a different feeling on that.
I do.
I understand that, but I'm just saying that this is something that they're medical.
I'm sorry. Your bond's revoked, period. It's the way it is. Drugs on my watch are not allowed.
I haven't smoked marijuana.
I don't care. They all say that. It's in your system, sir. Everybody says that. And don't you think if somebody would just say, I've never done this, can I go home now? It would be pretty simple, but that's not the way it works. We test. If it's in your system, shame on you. And I didn't grant it. I don't allow it. And that's the way it is. Y'all got to figure that out. His bond is revoked. And is it set? We said this for trial, right?
No, not yet, Your Honor. No.
Figure out what we're going to do.
We said,
We had a reset for 4 weeks for an
Judge.
Okay,
Quicker than that. but-
you're taken into custody, period. That's the way it is. Robert Chason, come on in.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Can I recess? Your Honor.
I'm sorry, that's, sir, everybody says that, but the tests are scientific and I rely on the scientific tests.
Yes, sir. I have a marijuana card, but I still haven't smoked.
Sir, you've tested positive for marijuana. I'm gonna rely on the science.
Well, okay.
I'm gonna rely on science, sorry. But your lawyer's gonna talk to you. There's some things we might be able to do.
Yeah.
You were charged in this indictment with the second-degree felony of assault on a peace officer. And that carries with it no less than 2 nor more than 20 years confinement in prison, and a fine up to $10,000 can be assessed. Do you understand what you are facing here, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. This is an announcement.
Your Honor, we've gone over, this case, talked to my client.
As that works. This is an announcement.
Your Honor, we've gone over, this case, talked to my client.
As that working.
Yeah, that's working fine.
Okay.
But, my client is not, does not want to take the offer, so.
Trial. It's set for trial, and just have a seat right over there before you leave. Get a resetting process.
You get right there.
And then, I mean, hey, hold on.
What it is?
There was 2 cases.
Yes, 2 cases.
Yes.
Mr. Chason, we're not through. Sorry. You had another charge here in 25 CR 1846. You're charged with harassment of a public servant, which carries with it, it's a 3rd-degree felony, so that is no less than 2 nor more than 10 years confinement in prison, and a fine up to $10,000. What we will do is, let me see the previous file, please, let's, that you don't. That's a player. It's the same event.
Yes, Your Honor, part of the same, incident.
I'm sorry, did you say, yes, no? Those are the words, hidden in the dictionary. What's they want to do on this? Try them both at the same time? Or,
I don't know what I want to do on that
Okay.
at this stage, Judge.
okay.
Likely I will try the assault first.
Well, it's second-degree felony. So you were looking at up to 30 years in prison for both of these. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you got a resetting? Have a seat over there.
I don't think he's signed.
Not yet. Yeah, Judge called back for it.
Designing Matherson.
That's a different event. It's not going to be available.
Does he have fires?
No.
It's nothing.
No.
Yes. And
Shocking.
Mr. Chason, you are positive for marijuana as well.
Yes, sir.
I just recently quit 2 weeks ago. I should be quitting. I did.
Your bond is $20,000 on each case, 2 cases, they're doubled to $40,000 on each case. The bond to revoke, they're doubled, plus you must have a drug patch at all times. And next time, if you can post this, it'll double after that when I test for you. But you don't come to court on drugs, period, in the ballgame. I'll give you, you get a copy of this.
Yeah, I think on the top.
What are we doing on him next?
We originally set it for trial docket.
All right, it's set for trial, and you can sit down and drop in jail waiting. That's the goal.
Or I'm Steinberger, your Billy Martin, will fire you and see you.